Hello guys, for today's video, nandito po ako sa Internal Medicine Clinic. Ayan guys, may importante nga akong pinuntahan dyan guys. Ayan guys, panoorin nyo po. Ayan, habang naghihintay po ako dito sa loob ng guys, ng Internal Medicine Clinic. Ayan guys, nakabili na po ako ng gamot ko. Ayan, katapos ko lang ng check up guys. Face to face check up guys. Ayan guys. Hinihintay ko na nga pala yung driver namin dyan. Ang tagal ng driver, Diyos ko dahi, kahit sinindan ko na ng location, nawala pa siya. Kaya ayan ang ginawa ko guys, nagtalak ng talak dyan guys sa driver namin guys, kasi ang hirap niyang hanapin daw yung location.
Kasabot. Gisendan nag location, gisendan nag kuan picture sa location din. Pero wa hapon katuod og asa na siya ron dapita, di ba? 310. Sinan ko itong 310. Pero hindi pa dumating kasi hinahanap pa daw niya. Tanga. Sinin ako doon sa kabilang building. Kaya naglakad ako papunta dito, putik. Hinahanap ko pa tong building na to. Ayan o, Internal Medicine Clinic. Ayan, itong building na to. Ayan. Nasa na kaya yung driver na yun na hindi marunong magbasa ng location? Lintik. Hindi siya marunong magbasa ng location, kalagot na. Sana kaya yun. Buti hindi masyadong mainit dito sa labas. Kasi kapag mainit na ako, Diyos ko dahi, hindi ako lalabas dito kapag mainit. Oo. Nasaan na kaya? Hanap siya ng hanap. Sinabi ko na sa kanya na 310 yung yung building, number building. At ang name ng building is Internal Medicine Clinic. Yung building na sinabi ko sa kanya, Internal Medicine Clinic. Ayan o. At building number is 310. Pero nahirapan siyang maghanap. Ewan ko kung nasaan na siya. Next week guys, pupunta na naman ako sa kabilang building doon sa Hamad Hospital. Naman ako magpa-blood test. Then next sa blood test guys is pagkatapos ng blood test, ibubok na naman ako ng appointment for ultrasound sa ating liver. Because yung liver natin is may fatty liver po tayo guys. Kaya yung enzymes ko is mababa. Mababa yung enzymes ko. Tsaka need ng nasa na kaya yung driver na yun? Uy, nayupak. Nasa na yun? And you, how old are you?
How you see the you think? You think always
38? Ayun.
45.
45? Oh.
Yeah?
You're not stressed,
Yeah?
You're not stressed.
Not stress?
Stress. You are not stressed?
Stress?
stress, like problem, too much problem. We don't have problem.
Don't have.
Can you drop me in Baba Talib house?
No problem. Which one?
Did you know Baba Talib house?
First. Where are you going now?
Madam
Baba.
told me drop me in Baba Talib house.
Baba Talib house?
Eh, you dropped me before.
Not now. Now you drop there? No.
Now.
Your home. Now you drop. I bring the same house. Baba Muhammad house. Yeah?
Not same house.
Talib house.
No.
No.
Talib house.
Now you go to Talib, Baba Talib house. Yeah?
Eh.
Before one time I drop you there.
Yeah, before.
Yeah.
You dropped me.
Same place. Yeah?
Yeah, same place. When I go in Basisa,
Before one day I drop you there, Baba Talib house. Yeah? You remember?
yeah, before, maybe when
Then
I go in embassy, then you drop me in
same
Baba
here.
Talib.
Yeah. Yeah, after embassy,
Yeah.
just drop the Baba house. Yeah?
Eh.